The next verb we are going to learn is être. I hope some of you remember the conjugation of être. So this verb means to be. To be. It is a verb that we use commonly. So please remember the conjugation. It is very important in French. Je suis. Je suis. So it means I am. Je suis. So now when you look at this sentence, you know how important this verb is. We use this very often. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So once again, say it along with me. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. So make a note of this conjugation. It is something we use very often. Next, we are going to learn a new verb, connaître. Connaître. It means to know. So this verb also has a slightly different conjugation. So I have written it here. Let's go to it. Je connais. C-O-N-N-A-I-S. Je connais. I know. Je connais. Tu connais. It is the same spelling. Tu connais. You know. Il connaît. The spelling is C-O-N-N-A-I-T. Il connaît. Elle connaît. So this is the same as this. Je connais. I know. Tu connais. You know. Il connaît. He knows. Elle connaît. She knows. Now for know, please note the spelling. The word is quite long. C-O-N-N-A-I-S-S-O-N-S. The ending is the same, O-N-S. So, nous connaissons. Nous connaissons. We know. Vous connaissez. Vous connaissez. You know. Il connaît. See the spelling? C-O-N-N-A-I-S-S-E-N-T. Il connaît. They know. Elle connaît. They know. So this is the conjugation of this verb connaître. Connaître means to know. Je connais. Tu connais. Il connaît. Elle connaît. Nous connaissons. Vous connaissez. Il connaît and elle connaît. So take a note of the conjugation of this verb connaître. The next new verb we are going to learn is comprendre. Comprendre means to understand. So if you actually look at this verb, it is not new. We have already learnt the conjugation for the verb prendre. Prendre means to take. So comprendre is just like a compound word. Com is added to the verb prendre. So the conjugation is the same as that for prendre. Just we will add com before it. So if you know that conjugation, this is the same. Je comprends. I know. Tu comprends. You know. Il comprend. He knows. Elle comprend. She knows. Nous comprenons. We know. Vous comprenez. You know. Il comprend. Elle comprend. Both means they know. So Like I told you, the conjugation is the same as that for the verb prendre. We just add com before it. So once we keep practicing the conjugation, we keep saying it every day, it becomes easy for us. We don't have to think before writing it. So the conjugation is the key to French grammar. Once you know the conjugation, you can write any sentence. You can form simple sentences as of now. So you try forming simple sentences at home when you speak. So now we have learned some conjugations. So shall we try to solve some exercises? So here is a dialogue that has some blank spaces in which we need to fill in the conjugated form of the verbs in the brackets. So these are the verbs for which we learned the conjugation just now. So the question here is conjuguer les verbes. Conjugate the verbs. So are you ready? The first sentence, vous dash fronsez. The verb given is être. Être means to be. So now we need to write the conjugated form of être. So what is the subject here? It is vous. For vous, what is the conjugation of être? It is êtes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes français? Easy, isn't it? So moving on to the next sentence. Non, no, je dash espagnol. So here also the verb is être. What is the subject here? It is je. For je, what is the conjugation of être? It is suis. Je suis espagnol. I am Spanish. Et Monica and Monica dash Italian. So here Monica. Monica is third person singular like elle. Elle. So what is the conjugation of être for elle? It is et. Monica est Italien. Mais, but, nous, dash. We have to fill in the conjugation for comprendre. What does comprendre mean? It means to understand. Nous, dash, le français. So for comprendre, we have to conjugate it for nous. It is comprenons. Nous comprenons le français, but we understand French. Et toi and you, tu dash français. Again, the verb is être. For tu, it is es. Tu es français. So we'll go over the sentence once again. No, no, je suis espagnol. I am Spanish. Et Monica est Italien. Monica is Italian. Mais, but, nous comprenons le français. We understand French. Et toi and you, tu es français. You are French. The next sentence. Oui, yes, je dash à Marseille. So the verb given here is habiter. And for je, how do we conjugate habiter? It is an er verb. We just remove er and add e. However, for je, I think you remember, it is an apostrophe because of the vowel clash. Oui, j'habite à Marseille. Yes, I live in Marseille. Ah, nous dash Marseille. The verb here is connaître. Connaître means to know. Ah, we know Marseille. So, what is the conjugation of connaître for nous? It is connaissons. Ah, nous connaissons Marseille. So we will read this whole thing once again. Vous êtes français? You are French? Non, je suis espagnol et Monica est italien. Mais nous comprenons le français. Et toi, tu es français? Oui, j'habite à Marseille. Ah, nous connaissons Marseille. So I hope you understood how to conjugate. It's a very simple exercise. You only have to know the conjugation of the verbs given and you have to conjugate it based on the subject. So you have to look at the subject and conjugate the verb for that particular subject and fill in the blanks. So it is very easy.